Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Shadrach. So today I want to try out these three products here and see how they perform on this faded bumper. So first on the line we've got the Wynn's black bag. So this cost around 100 rand per 200 milliliter, which means it's 50 rand per 100 milliliter. And second on the line we've got DE black bag. So this one, it costs 300 rand per 100 milliliter. So this is the most expensive one of the three. And also got the Everon EverBlack. So this one costs 80 rand per 200 milliliter. So which means it's 40 rand per 100 milliliter. The reason I'm trying the three of them is because of all of them, they claim similar results. So I want to see if it is worth going for the more premium brand, or you can still get the similar results on the more cheaper brands. So let's get down to it. So firstly, we're gonna clean the plastic here. We will be using the DE trim prep. If you don't have it, you can use your normal all-purpose cleaner. It will do a similar job. But if you want good results, try a dedicated product for it. So I will make sure that I leave all the products in the description below so that you can check them out. So this one, they recommend that you must spray it directly onto the panel. So we're gonna do as directed. So after you spray it, you're gonna wait for about a minute. And then after, for about a minute, you can use your brush. I think it would be much better if we can open here. So I've done the first application. On the first part, I've applied Everon EverBlack, the first coat. I'm going to apply a second coat of EverBlack, and then I will apply a second coat of DE, and then I will apply a second coat of Wynn's black bag. When you apply the product, just make sure that you don't use too much force. You just gently apply it through. We're gonna do the buffing after the product is cured, so you just need to gently apply it nicely so that it stays there, and then you'll buff it later. Secondly, we're gonna apply we're gonna move on to the DE back to black. I'm applying second coat on all of them, so you use the same process. So I made sure that I'm using different application towel so that I do not get to mix the products. The last one, we've got Wynn's black bag. So this one, it is a thicker product. Thicker products are much easier to apply as compared to the running products. Here on this first part, I have applied Wynn's black bag. As you can clearly see, it just made the place a bit glossy, but it is not black at all. The second part here, I have applied DE black bag. You can see that it is indeed black, but I still feel it still needs maybe another third coat that can be even black. And then here I've applied Everon EverBlack. You can be able to observe the results on your own, and you can let me know in the comments below which one do you think is better. From here on, I'm gonna remove the tapes, leave it for about a week. I'll then come back for about after a week or so and give you feedback so that you can see if there's any difference. But so far, let me know in the comments below if you can go with the DE blackback or the Everon EverBlack or Wynn's blackback. Thanks for watching, guys, and cheers. I'll see you in the next one.